everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like, you know, products like the C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. We did discuss this already, but Lyft is doing guaranteed pay now. Drivers will receive at least 70% of rider payments. Lyft promises its drivers will receive at least 70% of the money their clients paid to ride with them. So this basically, my friends, to me, is a cop-out from the whole like law that they were avoiding with paying drivers overtime pay, paid sick leave, a guaranteed amount of the ride, paid time off, overtime pay, benefits, medical benefits. This is Lyft saying, all right, well, we're going to guarantee that our drivers make at least 70%. So this is kind of what you get. This is what you're getting. To me, yeah, it's kind of a joke, but the Lyft CEO says they want to make a difference in the driver's take-home pay. This is, by the way, after insurance and taxes. So, yeah, I don't know if drivers are really this happy. I don't know. I guess this is the breakdown.
Nah, there's no way. Oh, that's in a week. I thought that was in a day. No way someone's making that much in a day. I mean, sometimes people do, but come on, cat. Go away.
No, I ain't buying it.